tip so.
Can you get me coming in since I'm going to buy the film?
Huh?
Can you get me coming in?
Yeah, come on.
Okay.
Face the sun.
That way?
Yeah, you can see.
Okay.
I explain this body.
No?
Look, is that put the body in, prepare the body, and lay the body here, right? Okay.
This is the weeping floor?
Okay. And can you explain the sign?
Yes. He said that Jesus Christ, and then the Alpha, the Omega.
Okay. And a cross, right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Your name again, please? What is your name?
Sharon.
Sharon.
Amber.
Sharon.